Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. If you're new, my name is Isabel. Welcome, 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 and thank you for clicking on this video. If you enjoy luxury, if you enjoy unboxings, if you enjoy fashion and just experiencing life in your 50s or any age, then this is the channel for you. Today I want to share an unboxing with you, and I am super excited because I have never purchased an item from this particular retailer. So it is a pre-loved item, and let's go ahead and get started. So let's dive right into it. It came in this box, and this may give you some clues. It says thank you here, and it says from the bottom of the box, thank you. Now I was expecting it to say the name, but it doesn't say it, but I'm sure that you can figure it out. It's got a little bit of confetti right here, and yes, it is from Fashionphile. And believe it or not, I've never purchased anything from them. So let's go ahead and pull this out and see what else we have in here. Oh, I know what happened. I opened it upside down. And here is, oh, I'm excited. So it does have all that confetti in there. Yay! Nail file, which I love this. Lots of confetti in here. And let's see what else. A card that says thank you. And this here must be my receipt. Okay, and we will look at that later. So here is the package, and it says used is the new you, and I totally agree with that. And let's go ahead and open this up, and you will see that it is a pair of Christian Louboutin shoes. And I have been eyeing this particular pair on the website. I was hoping that they would be reduced. I missed the 10% off coupon in December that they posted on Instagram. So anyhow, I went ahead and just pulled the trigger. So hopefully they are as I imagine, because these shoes I want to wear for work. So let's go ahead and see what we have inside. Inside we have the Fashionphile dust bag. There it is. And let's see what else is in here. It has certificate of authenticity. Interesting. And it also has the dust bag. Now, I thought it had two dust bags. Oh, second. Oh, awesome. Even the little clips are there. Okay, let's get into the bag, and then we'll go through the box. Oh, Isabel. All right, here we go. These are supposed to be in excellent condition. Oh, and here they are. They are a pair of Christian Louboutin patent calf simple 70 pumps in burgundy. Check them out. These are very pretty, and they are in excellent condition. I have to say, there is nothing wrong with them. And this is the first time I'm looking at them. I haven't even opened the box. So here they are. Yeah, definitely. There's the sole on both of them. And here's the shoe. So this is the New Simple. So these have the rounded toe in the front, or yeah, rounded, semi-rounded toe in the front. They don't have the pointy toes, and it is just a classic pump with the 70 millimeter heel, and it's a burgundy color, and trying to see if it'll come up true to color on the camera. It's really my iPhone, but I think it is. and they're really, really gorgeous. And I'm super excited because I can wear this to work. So burgundy is a color that I really, really love, and I think it's a color that you can combine with a lot of things. I had a burgundy pair of shoes that I loved, and I really finished them off, you know, just wore them to death. So I thought that these could replace them. The heel is comfortable and very businesslike, so I wouldn't feel uncomfortable using this for work. I really, you know, and everybody's different, whatever works for you, and depending also on what type of work environment you're in. I, for example, would not feel comfortable wearing my 100 millimeter Irizas to work, but these 70 millimeters pumps are perfectly acceptable in my opinion, and they will probably be very, very comfortable. So this is what I picked up from Fashionphile. Very excited. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. They should fit me because I had tried a pair on about a year ago, a year and a half ago at Saks, and I was a 37 with no issues, so hopefully these are gonna fit me just the same, but really beautiful. And just some nice pumps. Let's go ahead and do a quick tour of the box. So we have one dust bag, and here we have the extra tips, and let's just open up the little bag and see what's in there. And yeah, so we got 2 extra tips, very nice. And let me just quickly look through the bag, and it is just tissue paper. So it said it had 2 dust bags, but it really only has 1. That's, I mean, it's not a deal breaker, but I'll probably send an email because it said it had 2 dust bags. Not sure if they're counting this one as a dust bag, but this is it. Let me know what you think. I will try and insert a picture of me wearing these shoes if I can, if I have time. If not, I am sure that I will be wearing them, and you will probably be able to check it out on Instagram. But these are them. Again, the Christian Louboutin New Simple pumps with the 70 millimeter heel from Fashionphile, in excellent condition. And I do have to say, this is excellent condition. I mean, to me, this is new condition. I can't tell where somebody would have worn them, and there's the size. Not sure if it's coming up there, size 37. But if you look, I mean, there's really, you can't see any wear on this shoe. It looks new to me, but very, very happy with my first purchase from Fashionphile. Thank you, Fashionphile. And to all of you, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have these. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if you've shopped at Fashionphile before. I never, ever have. So first purchase, very happy. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.